Hey you guys, and welcome back to another day of the vlog. So today is May 22nd, I think. May 22nd, right? Right, Mama? Yeah, Saturday, May 22nd, and we are... Oh, say hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi. No? You don't wanna say hi? But you're making noise. Oh! Hi. Yeah, so we're heading out today, me, Delina, and I'm gonna go for my mom, and we're gonna head to like the post office, and I want to get her some shoes for the maternity shoot we're gonna be doing later on in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm gonna do a maternity shoot. I decided to do it this time because the last time I didn't get to do one with her because COVID had happened and everything was shut down, so I didn't get to do one. So I'm gonna do one this time with this little boy. Yeah, we're gonna do a maternity shoot. You don't want to do it? Yes you do. You like to take pictures. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for some little shoes for her. I ordered. So you don't want me to talk? You don't want me to talk? Wow. Girl, you gotta let me talk. I can't talk to the people. Yeah, so I ordered some dresses for her from Carter's. I'm gonna go to the store and see what they have as well, and then I'm gonna go Rainbow and see what kind of shoes they have for her as well today. So I gotta go to the post office first though to drop off some packages, and then I'm gonna head over by my mom. So right now we're here in Dunkin' Donuts line. They have a long line this morning, so I plan to get some breakfast and then just head over there by my mom. Delina, really? Why are you being spiteful? You hungry? I make your baba boy pick your hat. Yeah, so talk to you guys in a little bit when we get on the road. Talk to you guys in a little bit when we get on the road, you know, bumping, you know, on this Saturday. You want to say bye? You want to say bye? Bye. Little more later in the day, and I just want to show you guys some of the stuff I got out of Rainbow for baby girl. Hi. You want me to show them what you get? Say hi. Hi. Yeah, just want to show you guys some of the stuff I got. So I got some bows for her, some different color bows. So I got like two sets of these. So it can match, because I had ordered some bows, but like from not Walmart. Wait, let me put the camera here. Okay, I get some bows from Amazon. I had get some bows from Amazon, but they are messed up now. Like the smaller ones. Come. Like what she getting her hair now. So I got some of these cute sandals. These are so cute. then I got a pair of these fluffy ones for her, like everyday wear, like so she's just going down the road or something, in black. Nope, don't touch it. Don't touch mommy camera. You're gonna make it fall. And then I got a pair of these cute sandals. Like Rainbow had the cutest girl shoes. I like that the high, it's like high top. And this her outfit her grandma got. It's a jumper. And she got this one, it's like a romper. Like a floral romper. So these are like summertime, springtime, summertime clothes they had in there. And then she got this one. No, do not touch it. Leave it. I'm showing them your new clothes. It's another romper. And this one match these shoes. Cute. And then I got two of these. Another romper. The pink and turquoise. Some leggings. Up, up, up. And there's the shirt. Come. This is a shirt for the legging. Fur. This got match with the shoes as well. Then another jumper, a G one with the unicorn in front. Nope, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It won't fall. I know it's good now. I never shopped there for kids. I didn't even realize they had like a. Well, I know they had kids section, but I didn't know they had like her size and stuff. No, don't touch it, mama. Like her size and stuff. So when she needs some more clothes again, because she's like 24 months and some of these is tootie, she could fit it. What happened? That's about it for today. I'm gonna just, you know, relax, watch a movie later, you know, with David. He just went to get something to eat, so just me and mama here. And I've been getting some of the stuff for the nursery and stuff. Like this is the 3-piece crib sheet and set nightgame. So I'll just get that today from Bye Bye Baby. May 2020. Yeah, May 28th, Friday. So I'm off of work. We have half day Fridays for the summer. So I just came from Oshkosh picking up Delina's clothes for our maternity shoot is next Friday. So I ordered some stuff. I had it shipped to the store for free because I didn't want to pay shipping, you know. So I just picked them up. So I go in here now to see if I could try on some dresses, because the photographer, she provides dresses, so I can see which one I want to, you know, wear on the day and try it on and, you know, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Say hi. Delina in the back. Hey mama. Virgin pina colada. And David, what you get?
The same thing or whatever.
No, you got like a sunset cotton or something with some alcohol, but you say you get alcohol in it. And Mama is doing so good. Like, look at she just watching her thing. What are you doing? Look at she just watching her iPad. It's her first time being out actually. So here's what I'm eating: lobster, scallops wrapped in bacon, quinoa rice, and a steak. David got the ultimate feast: crab legs, lobster tails, shrimps, 2 ways with the quinoa. And Delina, she just got a little bit of what we're eating. Where would they be? Oh, this is so cute. Look. You know what you want to? I don't know what to do. Hi, kitty girl. Awa. Hey, good morning, you guys. So it's the next day. It's Saturday. I don't know, today feels like Sunday because we were out yesterday, Friday. So, but it's Saturday. So I just want to show you guys what I got for from TJ Maxx. I actually went in there to look for a little suitcase for Delina for when we go to the hospital. But I ended up finding these little treasures for the new nursery for our son. So I found this. So his theme is nautical. So I found this beautiful. Let me see if I could. Okay, turn on the light. With these shells, it's so pretty. It was for like $30. A shadow box of like coastal themes shells. They look, them is oyster shells, right? Oyster shells. It's so pretty. I had to have it. So they're running from the camera. And then this is a mirror that was here already, so I can find some place to put this hair in the room, because I don't know, boys don't really have mirrors. I don't know. And then I found this cute little sailboat. Oh my god, I have to have it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put this here like on his chest to draw. So yeah, these are my little treasures I found at TJ Maxx. So we have his name sign. I'm gonna show you the name sign it, because we getting ready to show. Hi mama, you up? Yeah, because we're gonna go Lowe's and get a paint and everything to spray it today. That's what we're doing today. Arts and crafts. I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. Remember this Delina we did last year. So I got it from the same people at Etsy. I'll link their shop down below. So hers got like the little glitter. And I got these flowers from Etsy too. I'll leave a shop down below. The little glitter in it. So me and Davis paint that did last year. So yeah, they did do a good job. Very good job. So I'll check back in with you guys when we get ready and hit the road. Hey mama. Hi pretty. You look so pretty. So we're here in the mall, guys. Look at these shoes. You having fun? She don't like to stop at all. So I'm gonna get these. See if she has some of these. Maybe back. First pair of sneakers. So we in Lowe's now. We're looking for a spray to spray the sign. What we got? Okay, that kind of color now. I really like this one. See, get like a little. You see? Glittery? Yeah. Look at that one there. Yeah. That one probably the dark one. Oh, that one. Let's see how we try. I kind of like that one. It's brighter. Good morning, you guys. So it's a new day. It's Memorial Day, actually. Happy Memorial Day to you guys out there. So continuing the vlog. I don't know where last I stopped off, but I think we was probably working. We were working on the nursery, putting the stuff on the wall late last night. I ain't went to sleep till like after 3 o'clock in the morning because we were creating like shadow boxes and stuff. David's idea, but they actually came out pretty good. You guys will probably see them in the nursery tour. I guess I'm gonna do like a nursery tour like how I did for Delina. So right now I just in her room. I taken out all her small clothes and I have them in a bin in there. I have them right there, but it's overflowing now, so I'm gonna take them out, put them in a garbage bag, and then I'm gonna carry them probably to the Goodwill or something. I wish I had known somebody who would I want to have them for a little girl, because some of them she didn't even wear like long, and then she have all these shoes, so all these shoes don't fit anymore, so I take out all her shoes to put into, because I just bought her some new shoes. I just buy her some sandals and yeah, her first pair of sneakers. So yeah, my mom just came, so let me ask you what I should do. So check back in soon.